Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences that can help you in giving orders in English language. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to close the door please. Close the door please. Bring me a glass of water please. Bring me a glass of water please. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Clean the kitchen. Clean the kitchen. Iron my shirt. Iron my shirt. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Vacuum the living room. Vacuum the living room. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Buy some milk on your way home. Buy some milk on your way home. Don't forget to lock the door. Don't forget to lock the door. Wake up early tomorrow. Wake up early tomorrow. Feed the cat. Feed the cat. Water the plants. Water the plants. Pick up your clothes. Pick up your clothes. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please. Put the book on the shelf. Put the book on the shelf. Take a shower. Take a shower. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Don't run in the house. Don't run in the house. Turn down the music. Turn down the music. Don't speak so loudly. Don't speak so loudly. Hold the door open for me. Hold the door open for me. Pass me the salt, please. Pass me the salt, please. Don't interrupt me. Don't interrupt me. Put your phone on silent. Put your phone on silent. Don't smoke in here. Don't smoke in here. Sit down. Sit down. Don't forget to buy the tickets. Don't forget to buy the tickets. Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. Don't leave the window open. Don't leave the window open. Don't forget your keys. Don't forget your keys. Stand up. Stand up. Don't be rude to others. Don't be rude to others. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Don't eat too much junk food. Don't eat too much junk food. Don't forget to set the alarm. Don't forget to set the alarm. Don't forget to pack your bags. Don't forget to pack your bags. Don't forget your passport. Don't forget your passport. Don't forget your wallet. Don't forget your wallet. Don't forget your charger. Don't forget your charger. Don't forget to lock the car. Don't forget to lock the car. Don't forget to turn off the stove. Don't forget to turn off the stove. Don't forget to pay the bills. Don't forget to pay the bills. Don't forget to turn off the oven. Don't forget to turn off the oven. Don't forget to sign the contract. Don't forget to sign the contract. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.